Bitcoin has long been the face of cryptocurrency, dominating headlines and market trends. But as we move further into the future of digital currencies, there's more to the story than just Bitcoin. With newer, innovative cryptocurrencies emerging, the question arises, is it time to look beyond Bitcoin? In this video, we'll explore the potential of cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin, examining the top altcoins that could reshape the landscape of digital finance. If you're looking to diversify your crypto portfolio or explore new opportunities, keep watching. 10. Ethereum, the pioneer of smart contracts. Ethereum remains one of the most promising cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. Unlike Bitcoin, which focuses primarily on being a store of value, Ethereum's blockchain enables developers to create decentralized applications, dApps, using smart contracts. These smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Ethereum's upgrade to Ethereum 2.0, transitioning from proof-of-work POW to proof-of-stake POs, has already begun reducing energy consumption and improving scalability. With Ethereum's ecosystem supporting the rise of decentralized finance DeFi and non-fungible tokens NFTs, its use case is growing, and its potential seems endless. For investors, Ethereum represents a versatile digital asset with long-term potential, especially as its network becomes more energy efficient and scalable. 9. Solana, the fast and scalable blockchain. Solana has been gaining a lot of attention for its promise to address one of the biggest limitations of cryptocurrency scalability. Solana boasts a transaction speed of around 50,000 transactions per second TPS, compared to Ethereum's 30 TPS. This makes Solana one of the fastest blockchains on the market. The project is designed to offer an ultra-fast and low-cost blockchain, which makes it ideal for high-performance decentralized apps, especially in fields like gaming and DeFi. While it has faced network issues in the past, Solana's rapid growth and large community suggest it will play a major role in the future of digital currencies. 8. Cardano, a peer-reviewed blockchain. Cardano is another blockchain that stands out for its commitment to academic research and peer-reviewed development. Founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, Cardano aims to provide a more secure and scalable blockchain that focuses on solving the issues of previous cryptocurrencies. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm called Ouroboros, which is designed to be more energy efficient than proof-of-work systems. With a focus on sustainability, governance, and interoperability, Cardano's platform is seen as a leader in creating real-world solutions for decentralized applications. Its slow and methodical development approach might not attract as much excitement as faster-growing projects, but its solid foundation and long-term vision make it a solid contender for the future. 7. Polkadot, connecting blockchains for interoperability. Polkadot is a multi-chain blockchain platform designed to facilitate interoperability between different blockchains. The project allows different blockchains to communicate with each other, enabling cross-chain transfers of data and value. This is a huge leap forward in solving one of the main limitations of blockchain technology today: lack of interoperability. Polkadot's unique structure allows blockchains to operate together in a shared ecosystem, making it easier for developers to build decentralized applications that work across various networks. With the growing need for interoperability as more blockchain projects emerge, Polkadot's vision of a connected, decentralized web positions it as a key player in the future of digital currencies. 6. Chainlink, revolutionizing Oracle networks. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that enables smart contracts to securely interact with real-world data. Oracles are critical for blockchain applications, as they allow them to fetch information from external sources like stock prices, weather reports, and more. Without oracles, smart contracts would be limited to only the data available within the blockchain. Chainlink's unique decentralized Oracle network ensures that smart contracts have reliable access to real-world data, making it essential for industries that require accurate, real-time information, such as finance and insurance. As more industries embrace smart contracts, Chainlink's role in ensuring secure and accurate data feeds will continue to grow, potentially making it one of the most important cryptos in the coming years. 5. Avalanche speed and efficiency for DeFi. Avalanche is a high-performance blockchain platform designed to address scalability issues while maintaining decentralization and security. Its consensus protocol, Avalanche, allows the network to process thousands of transactions per second with low latency and minimal fees. The project's goal is to become the go-to blockchain for decentralized finance, DeFi, and enterprise applications. Avalanche's impressive transaction throughput and quick finality time make it an attractive option for DeFi projects looking for a fast and cost-effective platform. As the DeFi space continues to grow, Avalanche is poised to play a significant role in its development. 4. Binance Coin BNB, more than just an exchange coin. Binance Coin BNB started as a utility token for the Binance exchange, offering users discounts on trading fees. However, BNB has grown into much more than just an exchange token. It now powers the Binance Smart Chain BSC, one of the most popular platforms for decentralized applications. The Binance Smart Chain is known for its low fees and high transaction speed, making it a strong competitor to Ethereum. With the Binance ecosystem growing and more projects launching on BSC, BNB is increasingly being used for various purposes, including staking, lending, and governance. As long as Binance continues to expand its offerings, BNB will likely remain a strong player in the cryptocurrency space. 3. Litecoin, the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin was created by Charlie Lee as a faster and more scalable alternative to Bitcoin. While it may not have the same level of recognition as Bitcoin, Litecoin offers faster transaction times and a more efficient mining process. Litecoin's unique features, including a smaller block generation time 2.5 minutes compared to Bitcoin's 10 minutes, make it a viable option for everyday transactions. While Bitcoin continues to dominate the digital currency space, Litecoin remains an important altcoin with a proven track record. With increasing merchant adoption and growing use cases, Litecoin could continue to grow in value over the next few years. 2. Terra Luna, revolutionizing stablecoins. Terra Luna is a blockchain platform designed to create stablecoins that are pegged to various fiat currencies. Terra's ecosystem includes several stablecoins, such as TerraUSD, which are backed by a decentralized algorithm that helps maintain price stability. Unlike traditional fiat-backed stablecoins, Terra's algorithmic approach offers a more decentralized and sustainable method of maintaining the value of its coins. The platform's focus on stablecoins makes it a valuable asset in the growing field of decentralized finance, DeFi. With the rise of stablecoins as a key part of the global financial ecosystem, Terra is in a prime position for future growth. 1. Shiba Inu, a meme coin with serious potential. Shiba Inu started as a meme coin, much like Dogecoin, but it has grown to become one of the most widely recognized altcoins. While its primary purpose was to capitalize on the popularity of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu has added significant utility to its ecosystem through the creation of decentralized exchanges ShibaSwap and various other DeFi-related features. Despite its origins as a joke, Shiba Inu has become a major player in the altcoin space. It's gained a large following, and its ecosystem continues to expand with new developments. While still considered speculative, Shiba Inu's community-driven approach and ongoing development make it an interesting crypto to watch in the years ahead. As we look toward the future of digital currencies, it's clear that there's more to the market than just Bitcoin. With the rise of Ethereum, Solana, and other blockchain projects, the cryptocurrency space is becoming more diverse and innovative. Whether you're interested in decentralized finance, smart contracts, or stablecoins, there's an altcoin that could meet your needs. But remember, while these altcoins show potential, the crypto market remains volatile. It's essential to do thorough research and invest wisely. Diversifying your portfolio across multiple cryptocurrencies can help reduce risk and increase your chances of benefiting from the next big trend in digital currencies. So is it time to move beyond Bitcoin? With so many exciting cryptocurrencies emerging, the future of digital currencies looks bright. But remember, always do your research and invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite altcoin. Are you planning to diversify your portfolio in 2025? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.